This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we're going to solve 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. So we can see we have many triangular shape like here and another one here. And for drawing this shape, first of all, let me zoom it a little. Okay. Now, for drawing this shape, first of all, let me see. We can see from this portion to this portion, the dimension is 115 unit, and this upper portion has a dimension of 40 unit. Okay, and this curve has a 140 degree radius, 140 unit radius, and this distance is 90 unit, and this rectangular distance is 30 unit, and this rectangular distance is 55 unit. So how will we start doing this? So first of all, I will draw a center line here, and this center line has a distance of 22 unit. Then I will offset this two line 30 apart from 30 unit. Okay, then I will draw another center line here, and this center line has a distance of 115 unit minus 22 unit. Then I will offset two line here and here. We can see this offset will be 55 unit. Then I will draw another center line here. Okay, this center line has a distance of 40 unit, and it will be offset to 90 unit here and here. After that, I will close the shape like this way, and after closing the shape, we can see we have a arc here, and I will draw a 140 radius arc. And then I need to draw a circle, and first circle is center here at center line, and it has a dimension of 10 diameter. Then I will draw another circle of 16 unit, and it has a distance of 26 unit. Then I will draw another circle here, and this circle has a distance of 32 unit, and its dimension is 16 unit. Then I have another circle here. I will draw this circle of 22 unit. Okay, and it has a distance of 61 unit, because if you see this center line to here, this has a distance of 61 unit. After that, I will extrude boss it to we can see this lower portion here has a extrude boss of 42 unit, and but here it don't has any upper portion, but in here we can say this lower portion has a cut of 21 unit, and this upper portion has a dimension of 42 unit. So first of all, I will overall dimension it to 42 plus 21 unit. Then I will cut 21 unit from this upper portion. Then I will cut 21 unit from this lower portion. Okay, let me demonstrate. So I'm selecting the top plane here. Now sketch, now normal to it. After that, select a center line, place the center line here, and dimension it to 22 unit. Okay, after dimension it, select the offset entities and offset it to 30 divided by 2 unit. Okay, it will be automatically 15 unit. Now press OK. Now again select the center line tool and place the center line here, and draw a line of 115 minus 22 unit, so it will be 93 unit. Now offset it, and this time the offset is 55 unit divided by 2. Now press OK. Now center it. Okay, now we need to select again center line again. So selecting the center line, placing the center line here, and drawing a center line of 10 unit. And now go to offset entities and select this line only, and this time the distance is 90 units, so the half dimension will be 90 divided by 2 unit. Now press OK. So after that, select the line tool and join this two line. Now again select the line tool and join this line, then join all the closed shape. Okay, so I am joining all the closed shape, selecting the line tool and joining all the closed shape. Okay, we have joined all the line. Now it's time for draw the arc. Okay, for drawing the arc, we can see it has a 140 radius. So I'm selecting the 3-point arc and select one point here and select another point here. Now for the arc dimension, select it to 140 radius. Okay, the arc has been done. Now it's time to draw the extrude cut circle. For drawing the extrude cut circle, select the circle here and zoom it here, and at the center point draw a circle of 10 diameter. Okay, now draw another circle of 16 unit here and another circle of 16 unit here. Now select the smart dimension tool. Okay, now from this circle to this circle it has a distance of 26 unit. Okay, it has a distance of 26 unit. Now select this circle and this circle, this two circle has a distance of 32 unit. Okay, now zoom it here. Now again select the circle tool and place the circle tool here, and this circle has a dimension of 22 unit. Okay, after that circle select the smart dimension tool, and from this circle to this circle the distance is 61 unit. Okay, dimension it to 61 unit. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and the extrude boss. As the lower portion, as this portion has a dimension of 42 unit and in the lower side, and this portion has a 42 unit in the upper side, and this portion has a upper cut of 21 unit and this portion has a lower cut of 21 unit. So I'll dimension it to 42 plus 21 unit. Okay, now I will manually cut all the portion. For that I am selecting the front plane here. Now sketch, now normal to it. After that select the corner rectangle and place the corner rectangle here and dimension one side to 21 unit here and draw the rectangle. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all both. Now press OK. So this portion has been done. Now it's time for the lower portion. For the lower portion I will select this face. Now sketch, now normal to it. After that zoom out it. Now select the corner rectangle. Now dimension it to, and this height dimension will be 21 unit. Okay, from this line to this line. Okay, again select the corner rectangle, select the corner rectangle and place the corner rectangle here. Now dimension the height to 21 unit. Okay, now place it here. Okay, this portion has been done. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all both. Okay, now press OK. So as you can see, we have drawn out our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.